Good morning, everybody. It is Superb Sunday here in Hawaii. Loving the weather. Here and there, raining. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be a great day today. Heading on to Amazon, it is day 34. Oh, yeah, let's go. And make sure if it's a rainy weather, grab something warm, something to keep yourself covered, just so you don't get sick. It's the holiday season. You know how we do it here in Hawaii. It gets rainy, it doesn't get snowy. Yeah. Tip on driving in the rainy season. Don't go too fast. Okay? We got everybody that's trying to do whatever they're trying to do. We don't need somebody coming out of nowhere, being a speed demon and wrecking it for everybody. You know what I mean? So go slow. At a good speed, safe speed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why I said to bring your jacket if anything, or anything warm to wear, because check it out, it is raining like a whoa. I tell you, the weather here in Hawaii is so bipolar. You guys saw that earlier, and now it's like peaceful.
Arrive at the destination.
Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, done for the day, heading home. Have to come and close for the team. I always like closing for them because, I like seeing everybody coming back safe, and that's what counts, But tricky weather today. It rains, it doesn't, It's Hawaii, what can we say? Well, yeah, 34th day, still loving my job, still going forward. Move. Also, I want to give a big congratulations to the new drivers that came into Baba Transportation at Amazon. Just want to say welcome to the team, guys, and a couple of them are my nephews. Nah, I kid. But yeah, congratulations, welcome to the team. Can't wait to share the road with you guys. Today was actually their first day, I think, solo. They did good, they finished their routes. That's what's up. Couldn't expect any less from my nephews, you know what I'm saying?